Today I will show you an indispensable step in the precision machining process, which is on-machine inspection. The on-machine measurement system is an auxiliary system composed of a probe, a laser tool setting instrument, and the machine tools on software. Its purpose is to facilitate data detection in locations that are inconvenient for manual operation and to achieve automatic correction of product coordinate positions. The automatic correction of product coordinate position is to measure the actual coordinates of the product through a probe, calculate the error with the theoretical coordinates through a machine, and then compensate for the position of each axis so as to achieve the goal of eliminating the need for manual correction, greatly improving efficiency and position accuracy. Another important function of on-machine measurement is to perform real-time data measurement on the curved surface of the product and the position that is inconvenient to detect. This is an important step to ensure the accuracy of product data. The machine tool generates data files by using the probe to mark points at the selected position. The operator imports the file in the software to view the actual processing deviation and ensure that the product fully meets the drawing requirements. This type of scenario has another application. Many products have precise tolerances, machine accuracy, tool deviation, and internal stress within parts mean they cannot be completed in a single machining step. In such cases, we measure the remaining material on the product and use a laser tool setter to detect tool deviation. Then, the machine automatically compensates for these deviations, eliminating the need for manual reworking to achieve tolerance. This greatly enhances the efficiency and yield rate of batch production. After watching the video, I believe everyone has a general understanding of the on-machine measurement system we use. Tik Precision has been committed to how to better serve our customers. If this can improve your product, please contact us.